Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of precision eyelash curlers. We all know the struggle of finding the perfect tool to enhance our lashes without causing any damage.
Well, fear not!
I've scoured the market to bring you the top 5 contenders that promise to deliver stunning, long-lasting curls. Whether you're a makeup aficionado or just starting out, stick around as we explore each of these curlers in detail.
Let's get those lashes looking fabulous!
At number 1 position, we have Revlon Precision Eyelash Curler. First up, we have the Revlon Precision Eyelash Curler, a trusted name in the beauty industry. This sleek and ergonomic curler boasts precision engineering designed to lift and curl even the tiniest lashes with ease. Key features. The Revlon Precision Eyelash Curler features a curved silicone pad that gently grips the lashes without pinching or pulling. Its spring-loaded mechanism ensures consistent pressure for a uniform curl every time. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless lashes. With the Revlon Precision Eyelash Curler, you can achieve a wide-eyed, fluttery look in seconds. Simply position the curler at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for 10 seconds. The result? Dramatically lifted and curled lashes that instantly open up your eyes. Usability. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, the Revlon Precision Eyelash Curler is a breeze to use. Its comfortable handles provide a secure grip, allowing for precise control and effortless curling. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, this curler is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy disposable curlers. The Revlon Precision Eyelash Curler is a durable investment that will withstand the test of time. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler. Next on our list is the Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Despite its affordable price tag, this curler delivers impressive results, making it a favorite among beauty enthusiasts on a budget. Key features. The Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler features a curved metal frame and a soft silicone pad for gentle yet effective curling. Its compact size makes it ideal for on-the-go touch-ups, ensuring your lashes look fabulous wherever you are. Benefits and usage. Achieving perfectly curled lashes has never been easier. Simply place the Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for 10 seconds. The result? Beautifully lifted and curled lashes that instantly elevate your look. Usability. Thanks to its ergonomic design, the Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler is incredibly easy to use. Its comfortable handles provide a secure grip, allowing for precise control and effortless curling, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Durability. Despite its affordable price point, the Wet n Wild Eyelash Curler is built to last. Made from sturdy materials, this curler can withstand daily use without losing its effectiveness, making it a smart investment for beauty lovers on a budget. The number 3 position is held by ELF, Pro Eyelash Curler. Moving on, we have the ELF, Pro Eyelash Curler, a must-have tool for achieving stunning, long-lasting curls. With its innovative design and affordable price point, this curler has quickly become a favorite among makeup enthusiasts worldwide. Key features. The ELF, Pro Eyelash Curler features a curved metal frame and a soft silicone pad for gentle yet effective curling. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, ensuring precise results every time. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless lashes. With the ELF, Pro Eyelash Curler, you can achieve beautifully curled lashes that instantly open up your eyes. Simply position the curler at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for 10 seconds. The result? Eye-catching curls that last all day long. Usability. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, the ELF, Pro Eyelash Curler is incredibly easy to use. Its comfortable handles provide a secure grip, allowing for effortless curling without any pinching or pulling. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, the ELF Pro Eyelash Curler is built to last. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a staple in any beauty routine. Next, at number 4, we have Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler. Next up, we have the Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler, a cult favorite among beauty gurus worldwide. Known for its precision engineering and superior performance, this curler is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve flawless lashes. Key features. The Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler features a sturdy metal frame and a thick silicone pad for maximum curling power. Its curved design follows the natural shape of the eyelid, ensuring a perfect fit and maximum lift. Benefits and usage.
Get ready to elevate your lash game!
With the Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler, you can achieve beautifully curled lashes that last all day long. Simply position the curler at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for 10 seconds. The result? Stunning curls that instantly open up your eyes and enhance your overall look. Usability. Despite its professional quality performance, the Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler is incredibly easy to use. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control and effortless curling. Durability. Crafted from premium materials, the Tweezerman Classic Eyelash Curler is built to last. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a worthwhile investment for any beauty enthusiast. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Corsage Eyelash Curler. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Corsage Eyelash Curler, a game-changing tool that promises to revolutionize your lash routine. With its innovative design and superior performance, this curler is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve flawless lashes. Key features. The Corsage Eyelash Curler features a sleek metal frame and a soft silicone pad for gentle yet effective curling. Its unique shape allows for maximum lift and curl, ensuring beautifully curled lashes with minimal effort. Benefits and usage.
Say hello to picture-perfect lashes!
With the Corsage Eyelash Curler, you can achieve stunning curls that last all day long. Simply position the curler at the base of your lashes and gently squeeze for 10 seconds. The result? Dramatically lifted and curled lashes that instantly open up your eyes and enhance your overall look. Usability. Thanks to its ergonomic design, the Corsage Eyelash Curler is incredibly easy to use. Its comfortable handles provide a secure grip, allowing for precise control and effortless curling, perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Corsage Eyelash Curler is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a staple in any beauty routine. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 precision eyelash curlers guaranteed to give you the lashes of your dreams. Whether you're looking for affordability, durability, or superior performance, there's a curler on this list that's perfect for you. So go ahead, give your lashes the love they deserve and elevate your beauty game to new heights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous!